Good afternoon, guys. We're going to head down the road. We've got something special planned. I've had 2 people message me and tell me, you need to check this place out. So why not? Let's go see what the hype's all about. And after we're done checking out what this destination is, we're going to go to Prince Rupert. We're going to check out the ocean. And that'll be my final destination for this travel season. Once I'm done, we're going to head straight east. We're going to pick up my kids. I'm going to be hanging out with my kids. Once I'm done hanging out with my kids, I love adventuring. I hope you guys do. If you guys do like adventuring and exploring the back roads, the waterfalls, hiking, mountain biking, you come to the right channel. So please subscribe. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment if you've got any questions. Maybe one day I'll sit down and I'll just do a video on Q&A session alone. Drop a bunch of questions down below and I'll answer them. All right, we're gonna hit the road. We're gonna see what's around the next bend. Let's go. And let's find out what this road's got in store to us. It's just a light sprinkle, but it's consistent, and it doesn't look like it's going to stop. It's going to be raining till at least 11 p.m. So, I mean, the worst case worst, we'll just turn around and come back down. Well, let's go check it out.
Wow, that's quite the avalanche mudslide area right there. That's crazy. There is nothing better than bombing around in first gear, though. There was one thing I remember going to the island in my car for a week, is that it rains a lot. And you always be prepared for a lot of rain. So, that being said, I'm prepared for a lot of rain. We are at the ocean. That's one thing I don't know, if we're on a low tide or high tide or wet. They're just everywhere. I think they're oysters or something? Seawater oysters? I don't know enough about all that stuff to make any assumptions, but I'm sure you guys will know better than I. I've only started visiting these places. This looks like a boat launch here. No drone shots for you guys today. We're gonna go for a little walk around and see if we can spot anything cool. If you're ever into whale watching, this is the prime location. A according to the research that I just did, this is an awesome location for feeding in the late summer, early fall, so we may have to come back.
Ah, so this used to be a recreation site, but now the Ministry of Forestry no longer recognizes it as a recreation site. It is probably because this is a high-risk landslide area, and here I am in a rainstorm, but it's not that bad. It's just a little bit of rain. It's not like there's any like clouds and thunder and big bangs and lightning. Yeah. See, I'm beginning to think I might have got ripped off on my scenic view, but this is very cool. Like how the clouds are in the mountains. It's very pretty though. I'm not gonna lie. I'm still glad I came down here. It just gives me more excuses to come back, right? On a sunny day, we'll have to come down the Work Channel Road again. But we're going to enjoy it anyways because it's raining and it's a good wheeling day. It'd be a shame not to take my advice, right? Go back to town with an empty tank. If I had more gas though, I probably would have explored maybe another road. Not going to lie, gas and time because we're running low on time. But I'm still young. Means I'll have to come back another day. So at what point does this river become the ocean? Because it is so freaking wide at this point. It looks like a lake, but I know it's the ocean. We just got off the Work Channel Road and we're headed down to Crownland Lake Provincial Park. It's getting late already, so I'm just gonna end it tonight and then we'll pick it up in the morning. We'll see you guys in the morning. And good morning, it's the next day. What a beautiful day it is here at Crownland Lake Provincial Park. Now we're just packing up, getting ready to go. We're gonna head off into Prince Rupert now. The trail yesterday took a little bit extra long to get into, but that's all right. We had some fun. We had a good wheeling day, but now we're headed off to the ocean. Well, technically we've seen the ocean once, and we've seen a river that looks like the ocean. So let's go see what's in store for us today. So what I should have done was I should have planned this a little bit better so that I could book a tour or something. Today's Sunday, it's Father's Day. I'm not sure where to go, to be honest. So we're gonna go for a hike along the ocean and see if we can see anything cool, do our own tour. We'll do a little adventuring, we'll see what we can find. So let's go find some trails to play on. So we're gonna stick right here in town. So after I'm done my hike, we'll go wander around Prince Rupert and we'll see the pretty oceanside town. We'll do a little bit of urban exploring. Okay guys, we'll see you guys down the trail. So we finally arrived in Prince Rupert. We're sitting beside the ocean. We're gonna go check out this little pier or dock or whatever you want to call it. I don't know the exact technical term, but figure we'll have a quick break. We'll have a bite to eat. We're gonna walk the Rush Brook Trail. We're gonna go see if we can find any wildlife or anything that we can see, some whales or anything cool, because I should have actually booked a tour or something, but today's Father's Day. So happy Father's Day, you guys. I'm just gonna quickly have a bite to eat and then we'll see you guys in a second.
All right, I made it to the end of the trail. Now I can walk back. There's a few cool spots to check out and some mini waterfalls, I guess you can say. So it's worth checking out this little path. This little trail anyways. Gets me out of the van.
That was a good little walk. I'm happy I got to see a seal and got to see a bald eagle, but we're gonna head off. I'm gonna go find a good spot to sleep for tonight, hopefully by the ocean. I was just looking up this thing on the website and I wish I had booked a tour. Oh well, maybe next time.
Hopefully you're feeding you good, eh, buds? It was quite different experiencing this for the first time, watching all the fishermen doing their shift change and the big boats coming in and doing their unload, and all the families coming out and going out in their boats to go out and catch some big fish. It would be awesome someday to experience that kind of lifestyle, just going out in the boat and putting a big fish on a big rod and reeling it in for the first time. I think that would be an amazing experience. You know, I guess that's one thing I can dream about one day.
Having a little treat for myself. Got pierogies. Once they're done cooking, they'll go into the frying pan. Dinner will be ready. Well, I've had a pretty good day. I did 12,000 steps. Walk down that way, walk down that way. We'll hang out here, call it a night. We'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow when we head out of Prince Rupert. thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Peace out.